All right. Here we are live. Marco Montemagno, founder of Super Summit, and I'm so happy to be here with you today.
So we're going to take a look today at kind of the social media and mobile landscape. I'm going to talk about kind of where we were a couple of years ago, how we got to where we are today, and then hopefully I'm going to leave the audience with some tangible, kind of actionable tips they can take away from today, something they can implement into their kind of social media strategies now, rather than...
So basically, Twitter cards are piece of content that are richer than the traditional tweet when you retweet or when you share it.
Exactly that. So it gives additional content to that tweet. So whenever anyone shares a link, if that link is to a piece of content on your website, and that piece of content on your website has these social meta tags, it will pull that additional content and share it in the tweet. My first really tip is to take a mobile mindset to everything that you do. When you're through content marketing, through social marketing, and then through social advertising.